guys, welcome back to a day in the life of a mobile mechanic. My name's Steve, I'm a DPF specialist in Stroud. Today we've got two assessments to do and a reassessment. Now the assessments we've got, one I believe is on an Audi A3 just outside of Gloucester. The second one is a Nissan Qashqai, and that is just out of the centre of Gloucester. So yeah, we're going to get those done. Then we've got a reassessment. A reassessment is a free service that we do. Once the client has done sort of 500 miles or thereabouts, get back in touch with us. We come over, plug in, just do a few checks just to make sure that obviously our original repairs have been successful, pressures are fine in the DPF, etc. So yeah, it's just a bit of aftercare really. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll get you on board with the first one shortly. Okay guys, so with the Audi A3, it's 2014, 74,000 miles on the clock. We've just plugged in the diag as the launch MOT, we've got the MOT4. The error code that's coming up is P245200, particulate filter, pressure sensor A. Okay, now I've ran a couple of checks off the camera because I've had a client with me, to be honest. I'm going to spin you around a sec, show you what we've got. Okay, so you can see the engine speed, that's the blue line that's on the graph, it's about 770 RPM. The particulate pressure is actually 1045 HPA. Bearing in mind you want that between 0 and 10, that's quite high, well, in theory. Okay, so when we rev it up, only goes sort of to 2,500 RPM, you'll see that the pressure sensor readings, yes, they change on the scale, but the graph doesn't move. Now to me that could be a couple of things. It could be obviously a bad pressure sensor, could be a split in the pipe, it could be a bad DPF. Yeah, so what we're going to do now is we're going to disconnect the pressure sensor under the engine bay, get the manometer out and show you a couple more pressure tests that we can try, just try and get better understanding of the issue this vehicle's having at the moment. We'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, so in the engine bay, just turn it. So in this lovely little envelope here, you've got two sensors. You got, I'll reveal all in a minute, but you've got the EGR pressure sensor and you've got the DPF pressure sensor. I've just popped a couple of these little poppers off, and there you can see we've got a bit of an issue with the, could be the pipe. Yeah, bear with me a second and we'll get you back in. Okay, so we've removed the DPF pressure sensor. We'll spin you around a sec. Okay, so that's the pressure sensor DPF, and as you can see, this is why we had all that soot, carbon and just general nastiness around the little envelope that all these sit in. So carry replacement sensors in the van, so I have fitted a new one. We checked the pressure, still slightly elevated at 16 millibar. So we're going to get on and do a clean. Again, we'll use a Milwaukee compressor, the Launch UK cleaning material and the launch gun. So we're connected into the pressure sensor pipe, which obviously we checked that as well, cleaned it all out, make sure there's no debris in there. So yeah, just ready to do the clean. Okay, everything's back together. Holding steady at 2,500 RPM. DPF pressure dropping down nicely. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to sit like this for 10-15 minutes, go on a road test, and then we'll get back to you in a couple of seconds. Okay, so back on the Audi again. The DPF pressure's 5-6 HPA, exactly where it needs to be. It's idle, obviously. Yeah, great results. Okay, so we've finished on the Audi now. All the parameters have been reset. The fault codes have been reset. Yeah, second road test. No issues with the pressures. See you on the next video.